Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine and in great health. I am Sonali ma'am, and today I have come to teach you general awareness. And our topic for today is uses of animals and care of animals. So tell me, children, do you remember pet animals and farm animals that you learned earlier? And you learned the difference between them as well. Yes? That's right. So, farm animals are cows, buffalo, sheep, hen, goat, etc. And pet animals are dog, cat, rabbit, etc. So children, do you know all these animals help us humans in many different ways. For example, the milk we drink, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, all this, a part of it comes from animals. So now to help you understand better, let me show you some pictures to make you understand how these animals are useful to us. So let's start.
This is a hen. It is a farm animal and gives us eggs and meat. This is a cow. It is a farm animal and cow gives us milk which is rich in calcium. And we can make different things out of milk like paneer, cheese, curd, butter and ghee. This is a sheep, which is also a farm animal. Sheep gives us wool, which provides us with warm clothing like sweaters, blankets, gloves, woolen cap, and many other warm clothes to protect us from cold. This is a bee. A honey bee collects honey in their hives and gives us honey, which has many health benefits like it helps us if we have a sore throat or a toothache, it helps in digestion and many other things. Honey is sweet in taste. This is a donkey, which is a farm animal that people use for transportation, where they carry goods from one place to another. They are also used in pulling a carriage. It is a very strong animal. This is a fish. They give us meat, which is high in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. This is a goat, which is also a farm animal. Goat gives us milk and meat. This is a dog. It is a pet animal and they are very compassionate, loving animals. They help us by guarding our homes. There are some dogs which are specially trained, like police dogs, which assist policemen in their work. This is a bull and it is a farm animal. They help farmers in plowing their field. Bulls are much more stronger than cows. They have thicker bones and larger feet.
Wow, so many animals do so many things for us children. That was a wonderful clip to watch. But what about care of animals? Let's talk about that. So children, you do understand that animals cannot talk, but they too have feelings and moods like the way we do. Hence, we must always take care of animals and protect them from harm. So let me show you some pictures as to how we can take care of our animals.
Give them food. The way we need food to survive and to stay healthy, animals also need food to be fit and healthy. Hence, we must give them good food and clean water at regular intervals. Play with them. Just the way we like to play with our friends, mummy, brother, or sister, animals also love to play with us. Active play helps keep animals healthy, improves their overall balance and coordination, keeps their mind sharp and focused, and is good for their mental health. And it's fun. Give them a bath. We should give a bath to our animals regularly to keep them clean and free from germs. Love them. We should show them that we love and care for them by giving them lots and lots of hugs, sit with them, talk to them, care for them. We should understand their silence and make them feel cared and loved at all times. Brush their hair. Some animals have thick hair on their body, and we need to brush them to keep them tidy and neat. Take them for a walk. Animals like to go out the same way we do, so we must take them for a walk every day as they enjoy going out. Take them to a vet. It is very important to take animals to a vet, which is an animal doctor, for regular checkups and vaccination to keep them healthy and free from diseases. Now it's time for worksheet. So children, in the first worksheet, you have to draw a line to match the picture of each animal to the product we get from it. On the left side of the worksheet, you have pictures of the animals, which is hen, cow, bee, goat, and sheep. On the right side of the worksheet, you have pictures of the product we get from it, like meat, wool, egg, milk, and honey. So children, the first picture is of a hen. What do we get from hen? We get egg. So you will match the hen with the egg. The same way you have to do the rest of the worksheet. In the second worksheet, in this one, you have to tick the pictures that show the child taking care of animals. For example, the first picture is showing the child brushing the dog's hair. The second picture is the child playing with the dog. The third picture is the child giving food to the dog. The fourth picture is the child taking the dog for a walk. And the fifth one is the dog getting beaten by the child. So children, you have to take only the pictures of the child taking care of the animal.
So children, I hope you enjoyed today's session as much as I did, and you all learnt all different and new things about animals. Do your worksheet correctly. Till we meet again tomorrow, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.